Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Die Anrede. When writing formal emails, one thing we should be mindful of is the way we address the person you're writing to. In German, the address is called Anrede, a word you'll learn more about in today's lesson. Die Anrede. Title, salutation, address or form of address. Die Anrede. Die Anrede. Die Anrede. Anrede is the way you address someone, be it Mr., Mrs., or Your Highness. It is a feminine noun, whose plural you get just by adding the ending n. Die Anreden. In Ihren E-Mails müssen Sie immer eine höfliche Anrede verwenden. Liebe Frau Müller statt liebe Mareike. You must always use a polite kind of address in your emails. Dear Mrs. Müller instead of Dear Mareike. In unserer Firma bevorzugen wir die Anrede mit du. In our company, we prefer to address each other with the informal you. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren ist eine Art Anrede. Esteemed ladies and gentlemen is a form of address. Passen Sie auf die richtige Anrede in Ihren geschäftlichen Briefen auf. Be careful to use the correct address form in your business letters. Wie ist die korrekte Anrede für eine Nonne? What is the correct way to address a nun? It's important to pay attention to the right way of addressing someone in formal emails, letters, or speeches. The feminine noun Anrede refers to the way we address someone, be it Professor or Your Honor. And now, time to check your knowledge with a little Übung. Is it a form of die Anrede? Write your answers in the comments below to get a chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!